We recently picked up this little foldable pocket drone to capture some aerial footage of some of our projects. Here's some of the footage we have captured shortly after charging the battery up and testing it out. Here are a few photos of what we received in the mail after placing our order through Amazon. I was a little concerned with how hard it would be to maneuver a drone around our property, with so many trees and obstacles, but this unit proved to be very stable and easy to operate. Even the kids enjoyed some time flying it. After recharging the battery, we slide it back into the drone to test out some maneuvers. First, we power on the drone unit, and then power on the remote. Once they are synced, we can calibrate the unit, making sure that it is on a level surface. Then we are ready to fly. Once calibrated, it has an easy one-touch launch button that gets it in the air and also allows you to land it easily as well. Here we test out the one-touch takeoff and also the landing.